Okay, go.
Mayong hapon sa inyo tanan mga Ka-Swabe, no. Subungad daw aton ni test drive si E-MAX 7. No, kag ang aton nga test drive to subong is ano nga variante, ma'am?
E-MAX 7 standard na siya, sir.
Okay.
E-MAX 7 standard.
Okay. E-MAX 7 standard, no. So wala nang tapat tumpik-tumpik pa, masugod ta. Fire. So, okay. So, upod ko subong si Ma'am Meryl Gapon. Kag si Sir JM. Okay naman ko si Sir JM sa akon before siya
Ako.
Door.
Seatbelt. Okay. So, here naman ko si Sir JM sa akon kung anong page ko sa Facebook.
Yes.
Mr. Swabe.
Yeah. Yeah. I will follow you.
Yeah, oh. And sa mga YouTube channels ko, different name siya, pero duwa.
Okay.
Matanaw mo sa akon nga
YouTube, sige.
matanaw mo sa akon nga Facebook page ang mga pangalan sang Bakit?
Wait, kasi naka-assert na.
Ah,
Okay na. Okay, wala. All good.
all goods na ta. Alright, so we are in a hot hold function. Okay, that's deactivated because we are in driving. Alright. It's a very good staple car. The mirrors are okay. So we are expected in a
Sir, ha? Kasi may bukas na pertahan.
Wala. Nakalak na.
lock tanan. We are expected in a horrendous traffic, no? So expected na
Ayun, 6 available. Power on. 5.
Okay.
Pababa
So
na ako.
wala punta ang
Mag-register
mga
itong boss naman.
sakyan ni
Okay, Gabi. Para dyan na lang pagpalabas na. Sa traffic eh.
Sige. Fire.
Laban na yan.
Laban na yan. Okay, we are in a full electric mode.
Saan, sir?
Signal light. Once na naka-signal light ka, gaganyan siya.
Sir.
Di ba pag siba, chick.
Base sa seatbelt ata.
Wala naman, no?
Seatbelt, sir.
No, I think sa likod. Sa likod.
Seatbelt,
Okay na ako.
Seatbelt sa likod.
Okay na ako, ha? Ikaw, ya. Ganun si ma.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. Same principle for the EV. Okay, very smooth, very sharp. Steering is soft.
Ganda rin ng dashboard.
Yo, namin dashboard,
Oo.
ganda ng dashboard.
Mm.
That's a turn off the volume because
Music, yeah.
because copyright. Okay. One of the good thing here is they are analog. Okay. So they are analog and NVH level, no? I forgot to mention about the NVH level. Ang yung NVH level, yeah, okay gid siya. Hindi siya tawag na the NVH level is
Walking na Kuya Justin yung sila yun. Thank you. Copy. Sila yung 6, copy.
in city driving, okay gid siya. Visibility, it's quite good. Seats are nice and comfy. Positioning, it's absolutely fine. That's a good car. So, again, this is the mid variant ni siya, no? Or the base.
Base, sir.
Base ni siya. Hindi siya daw 7 seats, no? 6 seats. 6-seater, may captain's chair.
Ari, sir, nga variant, sir, 7-seater. Ang atang nga superior captain is 6-seater lang.
Okay. So, actually, how much is this one?
For this one, for E-MAX 7 standard is 1.498.
Negative pa. Baka
1.490.
Yes.
So the top of the line is around probably 1.6, I think.
Nandito na yung kayo yung nakabalik.
But we also offer, like, we have program for this E-MAX 7.
Okay.
Feel free to message.
Sir?
Okay.
Ano libre?
Anong
kailangan niyo sa sir?
Okay, let's wait for
Tapos na yung
this.
KOL eh. Baka
Okay.
may ka lang.
I guess that it's a very car. Like you're driving a go-kart, you never drive like you're driving an EV. It's very quiet here. You cannot hear any grunt. It's only the wheels and the aircon. Amazing. Okay, that everything goes clear. Yeah. Yes.
About the engine, do you feel? Engine? Nothing, right?
Nothing, and no,
Yeah.
there's no engine here. Grabe. Electric motor.
Quite amazing and quite so much silent.
And what I think I like about this one is
Tilt.
like
Tilting.
tilting.
Oh, a transformer. Bumblebee, let's go!
Depends on the preference of every person. Okay. Let's slow.
This one's maganda to for family rides, ano?
Yeah.
7-seaters. The trunk, marami nga malagay sa trunk.
Marami.
Parang ano siya, parang Innova, no?
Yeah.
Parang Innova o Avanza, ganun.
Avanza.
Like that,
Avanza.
Kaya mo to, sir? Vlogger ka eh. 1.3? Basic?
Kung kakayatin.
Mas maganda yung may sunroof dun.
Oh, yes.
Naka 1.3, meron tayong... 1.7 no? Sunroof. Oh, yun ang pinakamura.
Itong unit, hindi wala itong sunroof, moonroof lang.
Moonroof lang.
Moonroof.
Yung radyo niyo kanina, ano kailangan niyo?
Pero yung
Tagal na.
Seal 5 Premium,
Sorry, nag-shoot kasi.
sila yung 6.
Oh, yun sila yung 6.
So this car does have a 360-degree camera.
Okay, sige, mag-update ako. Thank you.
Tama ba?
Yes po.
Wala siya sang 360.
Yes, superior.
Superior. Okay. Or for sure,
Same.
Balik.
Pick-up point.
pick-up point
Okay.
sa
Drop point natin
point. Yes. Alright. Sige. So you're going on a drop point. So overall, ang driving feel din isang
Smooth eh. Maganda.
okay ka dyan. Though, better than the Avanza. Better than the Avanza.
Ito eco-friendly pa to.
Eco-friendly.
Diba?
Yun.
Electric na lahat. Oh, peace out ng mga digas.
For-
In the future.
Yeah. Forget about the G50. Forget about the Avanza. Forget about the Expander. This one here is astonishing. Mirrors are quite good, even though they're small. Amazing. Dinta.
Okay, ito lang sir.
Okay.
Sa left side. Right side.
You know when it goes slow down, it's like ooh. Like that though. I mean, it's
E-MAX arrived at the drop point.
alright.
So, E-MAX.
So we are in a sport mode.
Sport mode.
I never realized.
Pwede siya sa sport mode, normal mode. Oh.
Okay. So mga Ka-Swabe, no, maraming salamat sa pag-upot sa akon sa test drive sang E-MAX. Sir, thank you so much. Sir CM. Ma'am, thank you so much for the test drive.
My pleasure.
I will leave her number, contact number sa description
Okay, meron ako.
or sa
Thank you.
sa video dalom. Okay.
Okay.
Maraming salamat sa inyo
Thank
tanan.
you. Here we go.
Ciao.
Ciao.